This water is the same as this water in the canal, which actually came out of the river. Should they be allowed to pull the plug? After the last few years, I've got a reputation for always being out and about around this aqueduct. As such, I've been absorbing messages left, right and centre about when they're pulling the plug and draining it. And then when it was revealed they weren't pulling the plug and spectacularly letting the water fall down into the river below, I've been getting loads of messages and seeing lots of general grief about pollution and all the rest of it. So, a couple of things. Firstly, the river below the aqueduct is the same river the canal itself is drawn from, only a few miles upstream, so you can make your own decisions about how polluted the water is or isn't. Secondly, and more importantly, a lot of people who haven't been out on the canals themselves may not realise that there are loads of places where water goes in and runs off the canal into the surroundings. One of these places is in the Trevor Basin itself, only a few dozen feet away from the entrance to the aqueduct. So, if we follow that water downstream, we'll see it goes through the woods, beneath a bridge with the path, and then down into a lovely little waterfall, straight back into that same river that is literally within sight of the aqueduct. So then there's the argument saying they can't pull the plug because it's too much water polluting the river all in one go. However, of course, if anybody comes down here after a period of wet weather, of which we've just had 6 months or so of it, you will be able to see the huge amount of water that's constantly going through the overflow, down through underneath the path and down the lovely stream into the waterfall, into the river. So I haven't got any interest in this fight. I haven't even got a boat at the minute, so I'll let everybody rage online and decide what's right. Anyway, there's some more information for you just so that if you're not from the area and you don't get to see this stuff firsthand, this is the bigger picture. See ya!